The crash course program for COVID-19 frontline workers launched by the PM is designed under which scheme? PM Kaushal Vikas Yojana 3.0. The government has announced the establishment of how many Divyangta Khel Kendra in country? Five. Which city has topped the Ease of Living Index 2024 being the most livable city of India? Bangalore. Who is the author of the book titled The Nutmeg's Curse: Parables for a Planet in Crisis? Amitav Ghosh. Which state has plans to set up an economic advisory council? Tamil Nadu. India has launched a hydrogen task force with which nation? US. The delimitation process is underway in which among the following states/union territory? Jammu and Kashmir. Which union ministry is to set up Divyangta Khel Kendra? Social Justice and Empowerment Ministry. Based on the data by the Swiss National Bank, what is the rank of India in terms of money parked by its citizens and enterprises with a Swiss bank in 2020? #51. Which yoga dedicated mobile app launched by the Government of India in collaboration with WHO? M-Yoga. Who has been elected as Iran's 8th president? Ibrahim Raisi. CSS is a new software released by the Union Health Ministry. Stands for COVID Severity Score. Which nation's Prime Minister has lost the no confidence vote in the parliament? Sweden. The central government notified to set up a coastal zone management authority in which southern state? Karnataka. Which NBFC has received approval from RBI to take over PMC Bank and relaunch it as a small finance bank? Centrum Financial Services Limited.